A night out in San Diego's historic Gaslamp district has taken on a different look during COVID. A blocked-off street is a makeshift promenade. Dining rooms sit in front of parking meters. Neighborhoods across the county are taking similar steps to protect the public and keep businesses running during the pandemic. But community outbreak data show more is at stake in this area. A KPBS analysis found the zip code that includes Gaslamp, Little Italy, and the East Village accounts for the highest number of outbreaks than any other in the county. An outbreak is defined as 3 or more cases that can be traced back to one location.
It would make sense with all the employees that are working down here and all the different establishments that our number would be higher than, say, Del Mar or La Jolla or other places.
Michael Trimble runs the neighborhood business district Gaslamp Quarter Association. He's not surprised by KPBS's findings, but he points to banners above him that show business owners personally pledging to help keep customers safe.
And they're going to know they're going to be in an environment where they can actually be comfortable and know they're not going to come down with COVID.
The pledge came after a Union Tribune reporter's photos in June that showed a sea of uncovered faces in the gas lamp.
They really lit a fire under my office and my association and really taught the merchants that people are watching what we're doing.
Data through late July show 14 outbreaks have occurred in 92101, but Trimble says he didn't know of any tied specifically to the gas lamp.
If I knew about it, and if it happened here, I would know about it. And at this point, I don't know of anyone who had an outbreak in the Gaslamp Quarter.
The Little Italy Association said 2 of its restaurants closed because of staff illnesses. The East Village Business Group didn't respond to messages. Overall, more than a third of the county's outbreaks have happened at businesses in just 4 zip codes. That includes 92109 in Pacific Beach.
It's not surprising it's happening here.
Sarah Burns is the executive director of Discover Pacific Beach.
People are coming into Pacific Beach, and with that, they're bringing symptoms and coronavirus.
She helps businesses understand and follow public health regulations to keep customers safe.
Businesses care about preventing outbreaks. I mean, their staff is probably the one most at risk, and they're trying to stay open to feed their families so that their staff can feed their families.
But 11 outbreaks have happened in the zip code, which also covers Mission Beach. One PB restaurant, El Prez, was ordered to close when video showed unmasked customers packed inside. Burns says she doesn't know if El Prez was linked to an outbreak, but welcomes the county's action.
That's what we want to see as a community, that those that are not following the rules or need assistance with the rules are getting it.
She says businesses that have had outbreaks have shut down to sterilize the facility and get workers tested, but none agreed to speak with KPBS.
A lot of this is more coming from staff outbreaks, not necessarily customer outbreaks, and they're taking care of what they need to take care of to reopen safely. I don't think any business wants to necessarily be associated with an outbreak.
The 2 other zip codes were located in the South Bay, and more than 40% of the outbreaks there happened in manufacturing and food processing facilities. County officials won't release the exact outbreak locations because they fear it will cause businesses to shy away from reporting them. But KPBS and Voice of San Diego are challenging that in court because we believe the public has a right to know.
98.4.
In the Gaslamp, Business Association head Trimble hired events coordinator Laurel McFarland to help businesses follow public health rules. McFarland says businesses should be notifying customers if they have an outbreak, but not the public.
I do feel there's a responsibility to let your customers know, but I don't know if there's a responsibility to let everyone know because it's really about keeping the people who came safe and knowledgeable.
But she says she'd follow whatever rules county officials put out.
That's something they feel is we need to do more and do it publicly, then we'll follow those rules too. Everyone's just trying to follow the rules right now.
The county health department did not respond to requests for an interview. Tarryn, Mento, KPBS News.